Hello and welcome to Timmy's 10 again for an unboxing of a 2022 Matchbox. Today we have a 2016 Alfa Romeo Giulia. Giulia. Alright. Number 26 of 100 on the year. It's blue. Alfa Romeo logo. Metal on this car somewhere. Made in Thailand. 2021 copyright. And I know I'm probably saying it wrong. I'm not concerned about it. I just want to know how it plays. Took me a while. We have window down on the driver's side, front. Two nice rolling wheels. Nice painted taillights. Two more nice rolling wheels, and also front windows are both down. Painted headlights, nice logo in the grille. It's really a nice looking car. Let's see if we can get something so my car doesn't roll right off the track. Yeah, he's going to go right under. Definitely rolls well, though. Still haven't gone out to my table since the snow. I was thinking about going out there today because we're getting more snow. And I only have a couple inches left on my table to remove. So I am considering, I like how it bounced back. I am considering going out back and getting a video of removing the snow, driving in on the left. I like this car a lot more than I thought I was going to. I'm not used to seeing this type of Alfa Romeo, but I do like it. Thank you everybody that tuned in and checked it out. It's definitely a nice ride. Please subscribe, and until next time, T10 out.